Hello, it's been a while. I've been busy with dad duties. This time, I'm going to prep my daughter's nursery room. The room is pretty empty, with just a bed and her wardrobe for the moment. I'm going to add some storage here, then decorate this room a bit for her. Some photo frames and a floating shelf will be added here on this bare wall. Always measure twice and level before doing the necessary markings on the wall. I drill a couple of holes for the picture frames, a floating shelf, and a clothes hanger hook. For toy storage options, I've chosen the IKEA Trofast, which will be placed over here. The storage unit is ready, then it is time to add the boxes. This is how it looks like overall when the storage unit is added. Still have to wait for the deco stuff to come in before I can finish this up. As a week goes by, the packages start coming in. I install these bed guard rails secured on the bed frame. To prevent the child from hitting the wall and rolling out of bed. I also swap the bed and storage position, as someone pointed out that it is not a good idea to have shelf above the bed. In feng shui sense, it is bad to have things above your head. I also got these cute posters and stickers for decoration. Start off by putting the posters into the picture frames. Really like these posters as the colors are vivid and sharp. Next is the stickers time, making sure the wall is clean before applying. These stickers bought are pretty cheap and high quality. Even butterfingers like me have no problem applying them. I have no air bubble problems, as they can be easily corrected by pulling it out slowly. I peel out the stickers by small sections and apply them slowly from bottom to top. It turns out really nice, with the diaper changing station moved in as well. There is toy storage over there and a bed with guardrail. I also added these in for height measurement. The changing station was a hand-me-down from a friend, packed with baby supplies below. Here we have her wardrobe with a baby cam on top, clothes hook and her laundry bag below.